Hi folks, welcome. It's here Nessa on Infinitely Zero's channel. I wanted to do a quick video. I know this is about a week behind on the Informal Swatch Along, my video number 5. This video is located on page, and if you haven't caught it, I have that info on the link. It'll be top here. Concerning the kickoff video, the Informal Swatch Along, great stash buster video. There's different swatches here in the book. I go over all the details in that video. You can join if you want. You can join at any time. There's no late. You can do them in different orders too. I just thought it would be a fun, neat project to do to build our different skills. And this one is and I do these videos talking about my experience with the different items within the book. And sometimes if I find a video tutorial, I'll put that in the link in the description box below. So this one's about the Advanced Diamond Grid Knot Stitch. This is my swatch. I know it's not super pretty. It is definitely different. This was my second or third attempt at making it, because the first attempt, which was last month or a few weeks ago, didn't come out very well, and then I realized that I kept putting off making the video because I didn't want to do this stitch again. So it's literally long loops that are then done with a single crochet. I used this Mako Truva yarn that I had gotten from a Mary Maxim mystery box with a 5mm H crochet hook. I will say, I don't think the instructions in the book are thorough enough for making this stitch. They don't really say that you have to like hold down your stitch of the, your work, and then pull up the yarn so that you can make these long loops, and then go through the loop and then do a single crochet to kind of, to do a stitch to then sort of lock it in place, which is why I'm not doing a tutorial for this. So I'll have the link for that in the description box below, and up here above I'll have the link to that video tutorial. So yeah, so that's everything I wanted to go through. And I have some plans currently. The next video, swatch along number 6, is going to be for the linked double crochets. Depending how long it takes me to go over those, I may split those into 6 and 7 and 8, or I may put all those together. And then the next is the reverse single crochet and the marguerite stitch. So I need to plan that out a bit more, and then I'll let folks know, but that's more for July and August sort of dates. My July dates are tentative currently as far as when I'll be able to film. I have some upcoming things in July and the beginning of July, which I don't really want to talk about on the channel. It's part of my private life, and I'm not going into that. And that is also part of the reason that I decided to do the unboxing of the Christmas and July box that I have other videos about. It's why I decided to do them in June. And I also don't like to have a box sitting around of yarn that's not unpacked with things in it that I don't know what they are. My dog can get into it and he can get hurt, and I'm in the process of organizing and cleaning things in my house. And yeah, and a lot of these videos and tutorials take a lot of time to plan, as well as the yarn unboxing. So usually when I buy yarn from like Hirschner's or from Mary Maxim or Joann's, I like to film them before I go ahead and put all the yarn away, because I realize that if I put things away, then I may not remember where I put them away, and then find the energy to do the video and then put everything away again. So it's like I'm doing double the work. So instead, I usually keep the things out, do the film as soon as I can when I have enough energy or time, and then I go ahead and put away the yarn. The exception for that is like the Joann's orders or an order where they didn't ship everything all together, because Joanne likes to notoriously nowadays send everything like in 6 or 7 packages. So you'll get a package of like 1 skein of yarn, and I find it really annoying and a waste of my time and your time to do an unboxing of like 1 skein or 2 skeins, which is why I think it's better to group things all together and then unbox them. But hey, that's just me. So anyways, this is the stitch. Let me know if you guys are still participating and going along. You don't need the book to participate. If you do want to learn the stitch, just check out that video tutorial. She explains things very well. You can speed it up or slow it down. And yeah, and have a great day. And if you like my content, please click like and subscribe. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye, or night.